Let's go, baby. All right. I'm going to tell you guys why options are a lot better than penny stocks. Trading options are a lot better than penny stocks. There's many reasons why. A lot of people don't know them. A lot of people still like trading these shitty little companies, but let's go through it. So, first off, pattern day trading, the rule where you can only get 3 pattern day trades a week if you have an account lower than $25,000. It is not a problem with options. And this is because you don't need to buy a position and sell it in the same day. You can, and there's sometimes reasons for that, but most of the time you do not. There's not a reason to. You can buy a position, hold it for a week, hold it for a month, longer, shorter than that. It all depends. But when you're trading options, you're not buying a position, holding it for a minute or even a few seconds, and then selling out of it and doing that multiple times trying to make money. Um, so next one is the amount of opportunities. So to find opportunities with penny stocks, you're just looking at charts all day, charts with this many indicators and just looking at, I don't even know what this company is, but you're just trying to find an opportunity where one of your little indicators says something and you want to start playing it then. But with options, you do not need to do that because there's always opportunities. I mean, with you can make opportunities with options, whether the stock goes up, down, to the side. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can always find opportunities, and yeah. So for potential gains, you can both with penny stocks and options have some good gains, have good returns, double your money, triple your money. But with options, you can get way better gains. Nah, but honestly, you can with penny stocks, what are you gonna you're gonna get like a 20% return, 100% return. Doubt it, but you could, and that's great and all. That's you can multiply your money like that. But with options, you can literally get 100% returns, 500% returns, 1,000% returns. I have many times, and it's great. I mean, I'm not sitting there looking at charts all day. I'm just looking at the option chain when I feel like it. I don't have to sit there all day long, and I swing trade these, and I can make some good gains, and you guys can too. So both penny stocks and option tradings requires a small amount of money. You don't need a lot. You can do it with $20, $100, $500, $1,000. All of those are relatively small in the stock market. Even $10,000. If you're putting $10,000 in a penny stock, you shouldn't, because that's fucking stupid. But um, yeah, those are all relatively small amounts of money. And with options, you usually have a defined risk. So if you put $10,000 into a penny stock, that stock could crash. Some stupid CEO who's on meth or something is gonna fuck up the company and it's gonna drop. And all right, so next, both allow small amounts of money. You could be trading with $20, $50, $100, 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000. Those are all relatively small amounts of money in the stock market. All of those options will work for both penny stocks and options, no pun intended. But the thing is, if you put $10,000 into a penny stock hoping for it to go up and the CEO does some stupid shit, you're going to lose a lot of money there because the stock's going to fall, you don't have a defined risk, and you could potentially lose all that money, if not most of it. But with options, you usually have a defined risk. I mean, if I were to buy a long option, a call, or a put, if I'm buying it, the all I can lose is how much I pay for that option, whether it's $20 or $100. I'm not going to lose anything more than that. And there's even, we can get into this in a different video, but spreads and butterflies and iron condors, and all of them have a defined risk strategy. So you can choose how much money you want to lose if you're going to lose. um, you're not, so I guess I've been through this, but you're not dealing with shitty companies, which are unpredictable. You are dealing with blue chip stocks. I mean, you're not dealing with. If we look at this, I have no idea what this company is, but we're trading McDonald's, Snapchat, Tesla, the S&P 500 ETF index, Netflix, TLT, Bank of America, United Health. I mean, all these. We're trading all these for the same amount that you're trading these stupid penny stocks. So, I mean, it's up to you whether what you want to trade, but I would much rather be trading blue chip stocks that are reliable, that have been around for a while, that aren't gonna out of nowhere just randomly crash. Um, yeah, there's many reasons why, but another reason why penny stocks are not as good as options is because the volume or liquidity with penny stocks. I've heard so many stories of people buying a huge position into a penny stock, and they'll even make money. They'll make 20%, 10%, 50%, and they can't get out of the position. And the stock slowly keeps going down after that, and they still can't get out because there's no buyers. If we look back at this chart, look at how choppy this looks. It's very, very, very choppy. You can tell there's low volume. If we look at a different chart with the S&P 500, I mean, it's not choppy at all. There's candles everywhere. It's not just low volume. So that's another one of the upsides with options. We're trading blue chip stocks, and yeah, they have good volume, good liquidity. You're not going to be stuck in a position, and it's good. So the last point is you can make money no matter what direction the stock goes in, up, down, sideways, etc. And this is good because you can sell premium, which we can get into that too, but whether the stock goes up a little bit, down a little bit, sideways a little bit, or all of it, you can still make money in a single trade just by having it not reach a certain price or having it reach a certain price. Or there's many different strategies that you can approach with options. With penny stocks, you basically just have to hope the stock goes up. I know you can short penny stocks, but it's confusing. You got to go through a different brokerage or something like that, and I don't know. I don't know why you would do that when you can just trade options, which are good companies and a lot better. So that's about it. I'll get into another video on some other things soon. It, guys. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment below and I'll answer it as soon as I can. But I'll make more videos on options trading in the future very soon. So yeah, peace out.